Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In previous session, we have discussed about the formula on integrations which are obtained from substitution method. In this video, I will give some more problems on that method. Okay? Prove that integration of f dash of x whole by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x to the base e plus c. This is an important formula. We can use this formula in many problems. That's why please listen carefully. Okay? Please observe the structure carefully. Please observe the structure of the given function once carefully. In the numerator we have f dash of x. In the denominator we have f of x. What is f dash of x? Derivative of the denominator. So whenever we have numerator is derivative of the denominator, result is log of denominator. So please see the proof. Substitute f of x, denominator is t. Then its derivative is f dash of x into dx is equal to dt. So substitute these all values in given problem. So given problem becomes integral f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to integration of f dash of x into dx can be replaced by dt. So you have 1 by what is f of x? T into dt. F dash of x into dx can be replaced by dt. Now what is integration of 1 by t? It is in the form of 1 by x dx. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log x to the base e plus c. So it becomes log mod t plus c, that is equal to log mod, what is t? Replace the value of t, which is f of x. Log mod f of x to the base e plus c. In this way we can get the proof. This is an advantage formula. Okay. Please one example. Find integration of 2x plus 1 whole by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Suppose we have to find out this integral. We have to find out this integral. Before starting the solution, once observe the structure of the given problem carefully. Here in the numerator we have 2x plus 1. Denominator we have x square plus x plus 1. Okay. We are observing that derivative of x square. What is the derivative of x square? Everybody knows that derivative of x square is 2x. And the derivative of the second term, x is 1. And last term is a constant term whose derivative is 0. That's why clearly we are observing that numerator is the derivative of the denominator. Whenever numerator is the derivative of denominator, immediately you can apply this formula. Within a single step you can get the answer. This is a 2 marks question. Okay. So integral 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx is equal to, clearly we are observing that this is f dash of x and this is f of x. If you take this is f of x, numerator is its derivative. That's why by using this formula you will get the result as log of denominator, log of x square plus x plus 1 to the base e plus c. This is the result. Please see the another problem. Find integration of x by x square plus 1 into dx. Solution. Here also we have the numerator and denominator. So once check the derivative of the denominator. In this case, derivative of the denominator is 2x plus 0. So derivative of the denominator is 2x. But in the numerator we have only x. That's why take the given integral, multiply the numerator with 2 and divide the denominator with 2. So write 2 into 2 by 2. 2 getting cancelled, you will get the same result. Now observe the inside function. In the numerator we have 2x, in the denominator we have x square plus 1, and the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x, which is the numerator. That's why you can apply this formula. Half into log mod x square plus 1 plus c. This is the result of the given integration. I will give another examples on this model. Please note down. Please see the next example. Find integration of tan x dx. So far we see the integrations of trigonometric terms like integration of sin x, integration of cos x, integration of secant square x, integration of cosecant square x, integration of secant x into tan x, integration of cosecant x into cot x. But we never saw the formula integration of tan x. Now it's time for finding integration of tan x. Okay? Consider the given problem once. Integration of tan x is equal to, everybody knows that tan x can be expressed as sin x by cos x. In the concept of integrations, whenever we have given function is in the form of a fraction, something by something, once check that formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is applicable or not. Okay? Whenever given function has numerator and a denominator, immediately you can check the previous formula, which is integration of f dash of x by f of x. See, what is the derivative of the denominator? This is the denominator, which is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. In the numerator we have only sin x. That's why multiply with minus and divide with minus. So it can be written as minus of minus sin x by cos x. Now clearly we are observing that this is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x. What is that formula? Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x to the base e plus c. That's why it becomes minus log modulus of denominator, which is cos x plus c. Here we have base e. Don't forget it. So anyway, we should conclude that integration of tan x is minus log modulus of cos x to the base e plus c. This is the formula. Don't forget it. Very, very important formula. Similarly, I can explain another one. Evaluate integration of cot x. Integration of cot x. See. Integration of cot x dx is equal to, everybody knows that from the knowledge of trigonometry, cot x can be expressed as cos x by sin x. Is it clear? Here also given function has numerator and denominator. So you can check this formula is applicable or not. What is the denominator? Sin x. Clearly we know that derivative of sin x is cos x, which is the numerator. That's why this formula is applicable to this one. If you take this is f of x, numerator becomes f dash of x. That's why formula becomes log mod sin x to the base e plus c. So don't forget this one. This is also a formula. Integration of cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x to the base e plus c, which is an important formula. Don't forget this both formula, integration of tan x and integration of cot x. Next I will give you another two formulae. Please note down. Next one is find integration of secant x dx. This is also an important problem. Consider the given function secant x dx. Here write secant x as usually. I will multiply the numerator with secant x plus tan x. That's why divide with secant x plus tan x whole dx. Okay. Now denominator is same, secant x plus tan x Take this secant x to inside, secant x into secant x, secant square x plus, what is the second part? Secant x into tan x whole dx. Okay, that is equal to. Now here also we have the numerator and denominator. So once I check this formula, integration f dash of x whole by f of x dx. Every time whenever we have numerator and denominator inside the integration, once I will check this formula whether this formula is applicable or not. Okay. If we take denominator is f of x, what is the derivative of secant x? Everybody knows that derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x, and derivative of tan x is secant square x. So clearly we are getting derivative of the denominator is numerator. That's why this formula is applicable. Once check it. Derivative of secant x is secant x in tan x, and derivative of tan x is secant square x. That's why we can apply this formula now, which is log of denominator, log modulus of secant x plus tan x to the base e plus c. Don't forget this one. You can use in many problems this formula. So please read carefully. Integration of secant x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x to the base e plus c. Now one more problem. Evaluate integration of cosecant x dx. Evaluate integration of cosecant x into dx. Very, very important one. Consider the given problem. Cosecant x into dx is equal to cosecant x into, here I will multiply the numerator with cosecant x minus cot x and divide with cosecant x minus cot x. Whole by cosecant x minus cot x whole dx. That is equal to, denominator is same, cosecant x minus cot x. Take this cosecant x to inside, you will get cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x dx. Now again observe whether this formula is applicable to this problem or not. Okay. Take this function, denominator is f of x. You can take entire denominator with the f of x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. But already here we have negative sign in between them. So minus of minus plus. So derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Differentiation of minus cot x is cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x. So clearly this numerator, entire numerator is the derivative of the denominator. That's why we can easily apply this formula, which is log mod denominator, log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So you should conclude that integration of cosecant x dx is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x to the base e plus c. This is the important formula. Anyway, in this session we discussed about the 5 formulae. Once I will revise briefly. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx, integration of tan x, integration of cot x, integration of secant x, integration of cosecant x.